Mic test 1 2 1 2. Yo 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 yo. Mic test 1 2 1 2. Yo 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 yo. Some pre-market analysis right now. Some pre-market analysis right now. Yeah, the go. Removes the noise suppression, so it's gonna sound a little better now. Pre-market analysis right now. Yeah, the go. Removes the noise suppression, so it's gonna sound a little better now. Pre-market analysis right now. Yeah, all right. Go. Just doing an internal transfer real quick. I had to switch brokers. I switched brokers, and then now the 100% bonus on this broker is shit because they have fees that are out of this world, like the largest fees I've ever seen. So starting her off small. Let's get a couple things added on the watch list. Yeah, it doesn't have the dot B because the dot B was for the bonus. So I guess that's good. I like that it's not. I like there's bullshit. See, like, yeah. Alright, we got everything ready to rock and roll. I'm surprised it's doing this well from the fucking hotspot. This is crazy. Alright, let's lock in. This is a brand new account, so I'm adding the pairs that I trade onto it. Bitch is so fat, it sounds like it's storming when she's walking around. It's crazy. Man, we might as well just have damn near pretty much all of these. Except for USD cat, I don't really trade that. I'm just doing this so that way it's easy. I just hit the favorites button and it's easy to access. I'm trying to fuck around with this shit. See how much like a. That's doable. Like a gold, yeah, dude. Gold's looking good for sales. Gold's looking good for sales. There's a head and shoulders forming. So this right here, let me take a picture of this. It's a perfect head and shoulders. It's looking amazing. Not gonna lie to you. Let's look at it in the daily. Oh yeah. Perfect head and shoulders. So here's the neckline, shoulder. Once we get a break and retest up below the neckline, that is a go sign. So that being said, we'll go like this. We'll place an alert right there, right at that neckline, so that way it'll hit us up as soon as that gets into our area of interest. So let's now go to my number one interesting pair right now, which is odd US dollar. This is my number one most interesting trade right now. So here it is in the 5 minute. Looks like we may have swept liquidity up here, but if we look on the 30 minute, we didn't. See, we're having an accumulation of these orders right here. Price is getting ready to continue to accumulate. Be looking for an entry here in a second. Actually, right now I can start it. Check out my other account because I had some alerts on there as well. That was pretty interesting. So let's see. Alright, it was thunder. I was gonna say, holy shit. Ooh, we have bit rate. We have the bit rate dropping. It's okay though. It's alright. It'll stabilize out. Confluences, I mean. Oh yeah, we're looking good, baby. We're looking good. We're looking good. So I head back over to my normal account that doesn't charge me an arm and a leg for fucking entering trades. Go back. So if it doesn't take liquidity where it's at, which it looks like it's doing, it's accumulating liquidity because it's not really it's not at the beginning of a new session right now. At the beginning of a new session, that's when you really look for big takes of liquidity, which it isn't right now. So we're kind of trading like a steady volume going in right now. So New Zealand was another very interesting pair I was looking at. Not anymore. We'll see. I don't really like the way it's trading right now. Yeah, it's pretty high up, but I can see it. Actually, yeah. No. GU. GU's looking a little iffy. Man, we gotta get some fucking people up in this bitch. Come on now. Come on now. Come on now. I ain't gotta be doing this shit. We want to retrace to the fib at least, but I'm looking at it. Interesting. I think I'm still gonna stick to, I may still stick to my odd. You feel me? Go something like this. I don't usually do buy limits often. I can see it touching right there and reversing. So this right here, ladies and gentlemen, is a buy limit. So you go something like this. I guess so. Once price goes down there and touches our area, it will enter single trade. If it ever does. We might have to manually execute the order, but we'll see. Yeah, I mean, we don't get anybody in this bitch out in this shit right now. I said, gold's looking really good for that. That's the neck my head. Yeah, gold's looking real good for that sell. I'm okay with that entering me in right there. That's okay. Where would you put your take profit, you may be wondering? Right here. Alright, there's a good take profit. I recommend looking into the bigger time frames to decide on a take profit as well. It's like something like this. Yeah. Even better take profit right at equilibrium. It looks like we may be launching off without hitting that pending order. Yeah. I'm going to enter in the order manually. Not going to lie. Damn, let's see if the fees are huge. 0 fees. That's amazing. Spread isn't too bad. I'll take that all day, 0 fees, and then with 1 pip spread. Shit. Here we are. That's how you do it right there. That was honestly, that was a fucking perfect entry. I entered pretty aggressive with a little lower risk, and then as I'm seeing exactly what I want to see, I scaled in. So beautiful. Now we can we can look at the fib. Take profit. Which was right there. That's where the take profit wants to be. All right. It's like, damn, I know the bit rate's terrible since I'm using the hotspot, but damn. I usually get some folks up in here by now. Oh well. We'll just sit here and trade it. I gotta turn that fucking light down. That shit's brighter than fuck. And as soon as this motherfucker right here goes break even, I'm just taking the balance out of it. I'm not fucking around with the fees on here, dude. The fees are crazy. $31 of fees. While I'm waiting for these trades to continue on, I'm just turning on a live stream on the side. So I show speeds live stream is lit as hell. See, I saw this even before it fully formed. So like right here, you can literally see the curve of the market order flow shift right there. I just screenshot this for examples for my students. So we may have to de-risk. I'm gonna de-risk a tiny bit. It's a tiny little bit. That's why that fucking bonus account was killing me, man, because that's in my strategy. I de-risk like that. And it was, and the no fees are fucking nice. There's no fees. Nice, dude. Like, that's where it's at, bro. There's no fucking fees at all. The margin call, the stop out on this broker is pretty crazy, too. 500%. That's pretty dope. I'm used to 144 on any other broker. It's 53 right now, so you gotta be careful. Let me show you why. Round psychological hour, and we're going to be heading into London pre-market, which is a dangerous turf. It's pretty mind-blowing. It probably is a shitty stream right now, is why there's been nobody joining in, but it's mind-boggling. I'm able to trade, stream, and watch a stream while I'm on hotspot. It's crazy. Oh, wait. I don't want to get manipulated. So with 5 minutes, I'll give us some more patience. Oh, this is looking really good. The only reason why I haven't scaled in more yet is because of the time. At this time is when there's nasty manipulation, so we're being careful. I'm checking the preview. Somehow running steady on my hotspot. Yeah, I gotta turn that light down right the fuck now. I'm just not trying to miss it. Enter, just rescale back in. Light's way too bright. Check this coral out. I think that coral will figure it out. What the fuck was that? Yeah, that's why I didn't scale in yet, see? It's a very manipulative time in the market, so we'll see how this plays out. Pro tip, never use the free bonus account. Wow, that light is still fucking bright. I'm about to turn that shit off. Ooh, it's 59 right now. It's 59 right now. It goes midnight. this point, we may need to de-risk a tiny bit, like that. I don't know why I did that, because my margin's good, and looking at it, I already expected it to swipe down to this liquidity, so I'm just kind of forced to have it. Hey, let me know if the audio's fucked up or anything. See? Very minimal, like when I scale out, I try to do it at the right times, like very minimal losses. Um, I'm gonna do a projection of what I think this is gonna look like right here. I think this is gonna look like something like this. Just like that. We'll see how that plays out. I'm really good at doing projections like that, so. Check out gold to see if that sell. How does it touch my alert and not go off? See that? Head, shoulder, shoulder. Sorry about that, folks. We disconnected for a second. Try to get some more folks up in here, but everybody's being lame. They see me make money and they're like, oh, I need to get on that. And when it's time to get on that, they're fucking on sleeping. Literally. There we go, there we go. See that? See that? See that? See that? Told you. Told you. I know this is a shitty quality stream. It's off a hotspot. You gotta give me props, but literally I said that we'll come down here and grab liquidity if we start heading down. So let's see how well it follows my projection. So far, beginning to wake up. This is gonna become a double bottom. That's what I've been seeing. How's it going, new viewer? Usually we have 20 to 50 people up in here. Just right now I'm going off my hotspot, so it's not the best, but it works. I'm gonna pause that stream to help with it. I have better microphones, better webcams. I just moved in my place, new place, so we're using a hotspot. So yeah, for the few bozos leaving, like you guys are missing out on literally a free trade right here. Just literally a free trade. So we're rescaling back in right now. Right now, man, it's like that. So rescaled back in. I just got a new broker yesterday. My old broker I've been trading with for 5 years shut down, and this one's pretty nice because like if you look right here, 0 fees. So I got 2 accounts in on this trade right now. This is Australian US dollar AU. I got a bunch of shit going on right here, but essentially here is the 0.5 Fibonacci. I'm in the Fibonacci retracement tool. I laid it out. My take profit is right there at the equilibrium, aka 0.5 fib. Then if you take another look into it, it's pretty cool because the 0.5 fib lays exactly where liquidity lies. So it's pretty cool. There we go. Now we're gonna go like this. Copy. Did the copy and paste button on this mouse that I programmed is so flame. Makes it real quick to just do like that and just snippy, be real snippy with it and copy and paste my take profit. So using $20 of margin, I'm about to make $80 using $20. But that's just the power of, first off, 1 in 500 leverage, as you see right here. And second off, sniper entry, just very, very accurate entries. Already, we went in right, it was right about right here. We went in aggressive with lower risk. Then once I saw it come down, I held because I knew that that's the reason I went in aggressive low risk, because I knew that the liquidity was lying right here, and if you see my projection, it's going to follow, I guarantee it's going to follow out it perfect. Even before we had this fat candle, it was continuing falling. I marked out my little projection on the line, so we just wait. If you have any questions or comments about this entry, just let me know. We have pre-market for London starting T-minus 1 hour, actually 50 minutes. Is it really that bad? Entries looking beautiful, as always. 6,000. Alright. We raised the bit rate a little bit, so sorry if there's any issues. I know the microphone sounds like shit. I'm only using these beats. I just moved in to my new place, and I'm actually, believe it or not, I'm doing this off a hotspot right now. I was able to finagle some things and get my hotspot to go about 400 or 500 megabytes a second. And so I entered right here, aggressive, lower risk. We had this pullback. While we were right here in the middle of the pullback, I put my projection down right here. Put this line down because I knew that liquidity is resting right below us. Right? I entered in aggressive, low risk a little early because usually takes a liquidity happen in the beginning of a session, which is not the beginning of a session just yet. So I'm running smooth. It's crazy how fucking smooth I'm running off the hotspot. It's wild. Alright, let's make this fucking money. Turn the brightness so that way y'all can see me a little better. My fucking my streaming light is too bright right now. So yeah, let me see how this looks if I zoom out a little bit. You can't read it, so I'm gonna have to keep her zoomed in. That way you guys can see what I'm doing. Yeah, something like that, zoomed in all the way. Break below these, actually this low, that's when I'm going to manually leave the trade. Excuse me. Yeah, one of my students gifted me a new mic, so we'll have a new one. Alright, it wants a high ass bit rate, which we'll fucking do low. Let's see how that goes off the hotspot. Seems like it's doing. I'm very impressed right now. I'm very impressed that the fucking hotspot is really fucking being able to do this. It's crazy. If you guys would like to know how to do this with your hotspot, just let me know. I can make a video on it. It's just a waiting game. Right here, if I do this, I can show you guys why I'm kind of being real careful right now. We're starting, god damn, that's brighter than fuck. We're starting, we're starting London, damn, did I exit that out? God, yeah. We're starting London pre-market here soon. My bad. Let me just pop back up. We gotta trade below the VWAP. If you look, we're about to cross over it. Let me know in the comments too if you guys hear that stream I'm watching in the background while I'm waiting for my shit to go into profit, which is gonna happen here shortly. I watch a little stream. Oh yeah, I should not be having that. Yeah, I was not watching that fucking stream, I think. Oh shit. Yeah, I started full time like a month ago. It's been good. There's really all these fucking idiots joining and leaving and then not realizing that there's value right here in front of them. There's free money right here in front of them. 7 years of my fucking hard work. So, I mean, I'm giving it out for free right now until I fucking hit $1 million margin. Once I do that, it's gonna cost. Unless y'all got locked in before. My bad. Free trade. It's a free trade right here for you guys. It's a good one too. It's a real good one. I've been waiting for this shit for a week. We're about to run in to take profit like we're running from the cops. 7 years of hard work, so I hope you guys are getting this in while it's free. You get $1 million margin, this shit's gonna cost unless you guys get locked in right now. So, yeah, AudUSD, free trade, enter entries right now, and there's a take profit. Alright. And what's pretty incredible is this would be $20, $20 with $8 profit. So there we go. Ooh, that's kind of shitty. It's not doing too good right now, the fucking stream. Sorry about the lag every so often, guys. I'm doing this off a hotspot, which is crazy. If you guys want to learn how to get 500 megabytes a second off a hotspot, you can request it. I'll make a video on it. But until then, I'm gonna just straight say, like, if y'all can't sit here for 2 seconds and watch somebody else's trade going to take profit, you guys would never ever see profit. I'm gonna straight up say that right now. I still study and watch it. I've been doing this for 7 years and I'm full time, so y'all some bitches. I'm gonna be straight up honest. Ooh, I like this too. This may help with it too. We're having insane dips right now on the frame rate. Let me try something right quick to help this shit. I bet that'll help. Let's see if it does. I bet it's that storm. It's storming right now. No, it's that volume. Every time there's heavy volume coming in right here, it's dropping. This volume is fucking killing the bit rate. Alright, fuck them. Yeah, since y'all some lames, I'm gonna keep the stream going so that way I can prove what the fuck I do every day. But I'm gonna replace y'all's chat with the damn with the stream because y'all are lames.